Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this hair tutorial on this bomb pre-curled hair from Wiggins hair. The hair was already ready out the box. I didn't have to pluck it, I didn't have to bleach it. All I had to do was cut the lace and glue it on. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. This is how the wig looks. It's 13 by 4. Oh, it already has curls in it, which is perfect because I am in a rush. And this is literally like the perfect wig when you're in a rush. So let me just show you guys the lace. Super, super nice. It's already parted in the middle, which is probably how I'm going to style it. I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, y'all, the curls are perfect. Like, literally, I'm literally probably going to have to like recurl the front. And I'm also gonna go ahead and just put like a little bit on the wig itself, just to help it blend a lot better. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb the hairs back a little bit. Okay, so this is the wig on, and I'm gonna fully put it on so I can cut around my ears. So this is what it looks like fully on. I cannot believe they are sending us wigs perfectly curled like this. Like, this is crazy. So now I'm just going to cut up here. Oh, I think I cut my ear. Cut off that excess. Oh my god, it has a curl in it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and double check everything, the positioning. And I'm gonna start layering my glue. All right, I'm gonna let this dry. Once it dries, I'm gonna do my next 2 coats and I'm gonna come back to install. All right, so I'm going ahead. Press it in with my comb. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. Looking very good. And then I'm gonna do my little edge corner right here. Like a teeny little piece right here that just needs to be fixed. Now I'm gonna take my So Melted milk spray and I'm just going to put that down the hairline. I'm gonna take my Wiggins milk and really tight grip on it. I'm just gonna let that dry. All right, you guys. So I just took off my melt band, and y'all, it is laid, it is melted, it is so good, it is so nice. So now I'm gonna take my baby hair curling iron, and I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my little hairs. I'm gonna do the same to these two pieces that I kind of forgot. And then to the same sides. And then to my baby hair sideburn. Now I'm going to take my melt spray and I'm gonna just, oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna put a little bit on the baby hair so I can actually see, like start sculpting it and see where I actually need to cut at. So I'm gonna go like this and just start shifting it. Okay. So this sideburn is fine, but for sure this needs to be cut shorter. Swooping it, swooping it, swooping it, just like that. Fuck. And that's this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then we're gonna do styling. So now I'm just gonna really define my part a little bit better. Let's bring some spritz on it. I'm just making it look better. Super cute. Alright you guys, so I'm about to go ahead and I did recurl my hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it down. And show you how my curls look. Alright you guys, so I'm feeling everything about it. Alright you guys, so this is the grand finale and it's the final look of what I got. And the hair is so nice. It holds curls really good. This is actually my first time actually fully curling it. The first time I had it already curled. And yeah, y'all, it is amazing. So I am wearing a body wave wig in the length 26 inches from Wiggins hair. It is super full, Super pretty. The lace is really nice. Mind you guys, I've had this in for at least 2 days. I really wanted to like test it out before I do my final review on it. But the hair is soft. I've had it styled in a ponytail. I've had it styled like up in a ponytail. I've had it styled down, and I worked out with it. The lace is still undetectable. It's super, super nice and super pretty. So make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair for some bomb affordable quality hair. And the wig is also a 13x4, but I still have a nice party space as well. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair for some good affordable quality hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.